everybody to the Doghouse Report. It's kind of dark. I know the video's gonna be a little bit. Open up the door a little bit more. But, alright, I've been holding this off for a little bit, but I got this last Friday. Right there. It's a Pro Wrestling loot box. I haven't opened it. Well, I pre-opened it, but I haven't looked inside. So, let's get into this and see what we got. Alright, I'm not looking. Let's see, what do we got? We got a big box. I want to save that for last. I am not looking at this, guys. There's just a lot of, I think, paper. There's a pin. Alright, we got a Pro Wrestling Collector's exclusive. And what is it? It's a Shinsuke Nakamura exclusive pin. There we go. You guys can see that, I hope. That is really cool. I'm gonna put that. I'm gonna start a cardboard collector pin box. A cardboard pin collector's thing. You know, I'm gonna start pinning this to a piece of cardboard. So that's pretty cool. All right. Kind of peek. Next off, we have. It was already on top, so I'm gonna go ahead and figure this one out. I do not know who this is. I got some kind of autograph. I'll tell you whenever I do the recap. That's pretty cool. Oh, it has a certificate. Alright, there is a Shane McMahon. I love these little cards. They are so awesome. Yeah. It says money. And it's got Shane McMahon. On the back it says Junior Mac with the money stack. Not afraid to take a loss. Toe to toe. Angle, AJ, and Taker, son of the boss, has paid the cost. That is pretty cool. And also we have, looks like a luchador like sticker or something to put on something. Looks pretty cool. Check that out, guys. That is really cool. So I'll be sticking this on my little bookshelf over there. So let's see what else we got here. Okay, this is supposedly the. Still can't read it, but it's a certificate of authenticity. So we'll get into the signature in a minute. Next up we have is a diagram, U.S. patent diagram of. I'm guessing how wrestling figures and characters are made. It says this is January 15th, 1991. I don't know. Which is pretty cool. I think this is Hogan or something. I don't know. But, so, see what I mean? That is a pretty cool, you know. And on the back it's got this. I guess it's just showing how the wrestlers are made. And built, and all the pieces and parts and everything else that goes with it. So that's pretty cool. Alright, guys. I think that's it, other than the big box, which I'm gonna. Oh, look at this, guys. Kind of loud outside, damn it. Oops. We got a pop vinyl of Goldberg. Goldberg. Actually, it looks like Gilbert. Seriously, this thing looks like Gilbert. So, I don't care really for pop vinyls, but they're really cool to have. So this is my first ever pop vinyl, you guys, ever. I have Q-Figs. I love the Q-Figs, but this is my first ever pop vinyl. So, there he is, guys. Pop Vinyl number 1. He's not too bad, you know. The head turns around and goes in a 360, so... Ah! It's like, you know, The Exorcist, Goldberg. There we go. So, alright, I'm gonna find out what this all is. Who this guy is. I don't recognize him at all. Wow. Let's see what we got here. We got a list. We have personally signed by New Japan Pro International star Will Ospreay. Will Ospreay, I guess. I don't know. I've never even heard of him. Because he's New Japan, I guess, yeah. But that is really cool. That is a really cool, someone new, you know. New autograph. Next off, we have the Pop Vinyl Goldberg. That's pretty cool. He's pretty good, decent, you know. Just don't care for the big giant head, you know. Pop vinyls are not my collectible ideas. It's fun, I guess. I don't know. Next off, we had the patent, how a figure is made and parts and pieces thing on it. So that's really cool. Then we had the Shane McMahon trading card for Pro Wrestling Loot exclusive. Next we had the Luchador sticker. That is cool. And then we had the Shinsuke Nakamura pin. So there you go. And then last off is the certificate of authenticity for that. So there you go, guys. That was the Pro Wrestling Loot mystery box for August 2017. So there you go, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. I really think it'd be cool if you did. Like this video, please, and subscribe to this channel if you like what you see. And I will talk to you guys real soon. Have a good day.